Hello all, welcome back to Inscape Meraki. Today we are making one of my favorite crafting activity, the fairy house. So without any delay, let's start. At first we are making the top or roof of the house. I have shaped paper in parts and wrapping it with aluminium foil. Next up is clay for covering, which will shape the whole body. I'm using equal mixture of glue and water to make the clay stick. Making leaves, flowers and creepers for decorations. By the way, I'm decorating the front only. Well, you can see I have extended the edges of the roofs to give it more hat-like shape. Now it's time for the lower part of the house. add more elements with it. After that, we are heading to color it up. I'm applying light cream color first of all, then adding green around it to give it some algae and mosses look, as I have imagined this fairy house in an abundant forest. So yeah, I'm gonna use more of faded and dark colors instead of bright ones. For the mushroom stew, I'm not using the ideal red color, instead making it a bit dark to match it with the house. By the way, have you guys noticed these little toadstools on the roof? These are my favorite ones. And with a little bit of pixie dust, the fairy house is ready. Put some lights into it and feel the magic. So quickly think, where does a fairy house belong? Exactly, in the fairy garden. So I may be bringing a fairy house tutorial soon. Till then, stay connected with Inscape Meraki, and if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Stay creative all. Take care.